Good morning, folks. So I've actually just got myself ready and I'm heading off to Edinburgh, which is a huge deal, but I just wanted to quickly clarify that this is 100% essential travel. Ever since before Christmas, we haven't travelled outside of our neighbourhood except for shopping, which we go to in the next town because our neighbourhood doesn't have like a supermarket. But yeah, I'm being very law-abiding and careful. But today, it's such exciting news. Some of you that have been following me on Instagram or maybe here will know that for, is it a year and a half, I haven't had my own flat in Edinburgh, and my business is very much Edinburgh based, so it's been a little bit tricky, even though I've really enjoyed being in Fife, being surrounded by nature and being back home with the parents. But a week today, I got some exciting news that oh my word, I've got my own Edinburgh flat, and today I'm going to go and see it, and they need to see me in person and I need to sign some papers. So it's 100% essential travel. I just want to make that clear. I don't want to break any rules, and I'm not breaking any rules. So yeah, I'm taking the train over and I'm going there maybe like an hour earlier just because I can, and I'm not going to go to busy areas. I don't know if anywhere will be busy, but I'm taking the back streets and just having a little wander down to the flat. And I thought I'd bring you along. Hello folks, so I've got my mask on and I'm just waiting for the train, which should come in a few minutes. And then, yeah, it's such a weird experience traveling after not traveling for many months. I'm so excited to see Edinburgh again after so long. It's sunny all of a sudden. It's been raining all morning, but we have a little burst of sunshine, which is nice.
This is exploringedinburgh, West Central Terminal.
I don't know if this is focusing, but I'm so excited to eat this. It smells and looks amazing. Came here for a seat. Unfortunately, it's closed. Oh well. This is a really nice place if you haven't been. Hello folks, hopefully the wind noise isn't in the background because it's so windy today. But yeah, I'd planned to have my lunch that I picked up from Gannett and Guga at Dunbar Garden Close, but they're closed, it's gonna be windy, which is fine, but I found some secluded seats at the Parliament, so I'm gonna eat my lunch because I'm starving, and I'll catch up with you in a minute. Lunch was absolutely amazing, so tasty. Would highly recommend if you've not been there and you live in Edinburgh. It's incredibly windy, So I'm not too sure where I'm going to head next, but I'm just going to go for a little wander, and it's so typical when I plan to film, that's when I get all the tiny spots. Anyway, let's go see what we see. Goodness, it's so windy. I've decided I'm going to leave Old Town behind because I think it's just too high up. With the wind is making it unbearable. It's almost like it's hard to breathe because the wind is so strong. Anyway, I'm going to head over into Newtown, maybe Stockbridge. We'll see. Golly, it's so windy. You can hear me, but we're going to head to Circus Lane. I just wanted to hop on here because I was editing the video and I realised that after my Stockbridge clips I sort of just cut off and that is the end of the video. So after Stockbridge I walked to my flat viewing and I did take some videos just to show friends and family and also to give me an idea of what furniture maybe would fit in the rooms, but I'm not quite ready to share the videos that I took yesterday, but I'm hoping at some point to do an empty flat tour because I really enjoy watching them. I'm not sure if it's of interest, but I'm such a nosy person. I love to see what people's flats look like, and it's not giving anything away to say that my flat is in a tenement building, so it's not particularly characterful, but it is interesting living in such an old building. So yeah, I've still got plenty to do to my flat and I'm looking forward to bringing you along, hopefully, on the journey as I sort of pick up things for the flat. Hopefully charity shops will be open in the next few months because I've always, even when I was sort of at uni, I've been looking forward to getting a space of my own where I can decorate it and go charity shop shopping, just to find vintage pieces like, I don't even things just like coffee tables, TV stands, bookshelves, things like that. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Another thing I realised when I was editing the video is that I talk about the wind a lot throughout the video. So yeah, apologies for that, but it was an insanely windy day. I think it's easily the windiest day of this year. I think even when I came back, my mum was saying that a bus blew over, so really gale force winds. And the beginning of the video, I think you can tell that I'm still enjoying being in Edinburgh. It was really nice to be back in the city, but towards the end of the video and definitely after the video, when it started raining as well as being really windy, I was definitely feeling slightly miserable, I guess. And that's probably why I didn't pick up the camera after I left the flat as well. But yeah, anyway, I got back home safe and sound. I got a change of clothing because I was sort of really wet from all the rain. And yeah, perfectly fine. Hot cup of tea, dinner, and I felt much better. So I hope you're all having a lovely week, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.